Hello and welcome back to the step-by-step HTML tutorial for beginner series, and from this video you are going to learn how to add multimedia like video or audio file into your HTML website. So without further ado, let me show you the audio and video file which I have got. As you can see, the name myaudioFile.mp3, and for the mp4 or the video file I have got myvideofile.mp4, and I have created this HTML page on our editor here. So let's put something in the title. So I'm going to type out here audio and video on or in HTML, and let's start entering our audio file first. So let me hit enter here, and after that I'm going to take the tag which is going to be audio for the audio file. So let's select this one so that we'll have audio tag starting and ending here. So let's give another enter here in between so that we'll be able to start entering our elements. So here for the first tag of audio we have to give a space, and then let's put controls, and we are going to remove these attribute things here or the syntax, and after that in this field we are going to provide like source, so that this is a tag, as you can see. So let's select this one so that we'll have a complete syntax here. Source. So let me provide the source. So we have to provide the name of the video or audio file, and as you're actually currently working on audio, so I should provide the audio file name here. So as you can see here, my file name is myaudioFile.mp3. So let's go back to our code, and then I'm going to type out myaudioFile.mp3, and then we are going to give the type here, which is going to be audio slash mpeg, and now let's save this document, and I'm going to open this document in our browser, and just take a look. We have got our audio file attached to our website. So if I just click here, we are going to hear the audio playing. Alright, so now let me close it here, and then we are going back here into our HTML code editor, and it's time to add our video file as well. So let's do this. We are going to give an enter, and after that I'm going to type out here video for the video tag. As you can see, we are seeing the tag suggestion. So let's select one so that we'll have the starting and the ending tag of video here. Let's give an enter, and again we are going to do the controls things here, controls, so that we'll have the control bars. As you can see here, we have got this controlling start and pause button here, then volume button here. All right, so let's move on to the code, and after that we are going to provide the same code which we have added here for the audio. So let's put source, and then I'm going to take the syntax. As you can see, source src. So here we have to provide the name of our video file. So let me show you again here. myvideofile.mp4 is the name of our targeted source. So let me type it out here, myvideofile.mp4. now we are going to give the type as video instead of audio. Here we have used audio, but here we have to use video slash mp4. Now if I just save this file, then let's go back to our web page. Let's reload it here. Just take a look. Our video has been added here, but it's a big fat screen here, as you can see. So let me just make it a little bit smaller, but we can do a little more thing here. We can set this up in our original coding. So let's go back to the code, and then I'm going to give like here into this, after controls we are going to give width, and let's say I want to give the width of 450 or let's say 700 pixels, and then for the height we can keep the height blank if you want, otherwise you can also provide it. So let's keep width only, and I'm going to reload this page, and just take a look. We have got our video file also added. So now let's play this one and play this one. So everything looks good here. As you can see, now I'm going to stop these things, and as you can see, if you want to give some breaks, we know already the code for breaks, so we are going to use br tag here, br here. All right, so let's give another br so that we'll have a little more extra space. Let's save this document and go back here. Let's reload this page. Just take a look. We have got the formatting card. So this is the process of adding audio and or video file into your website. So I believe you have found this video informative, and if you did, please give this video a like and share this video to help your friends. subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos regarding web design, web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.